All right, Amazon dude here. My package is ready. Let's open it up. Guess what this guy is gonna be? We'll see. Hang out. Okay, thanks for checking in. Hey, I've been waiting for this package. It's the last of my tools for my EDC pack. Strictly Slarino. I think it's actually made by Sunstar. And they're all a Japanese scissors company. Look at, I like how they put the little sticker there. It's that reflective, right? Can't read it. You don't know what they're saying. And then you see the sticker. It's crazy. Ichiban number one in maybe Japan or all of Asia. I don't know. But this guy is a pair of scissors. I've been waiting for this guy. Okay? Look how small this is. I mean, dude, she's small. Let's open it up, okay? So, if you guys have been looking for EDC pair of scissors, I think I found it. And I don't know anything else that might be smaller than this with the footprint that you want to pack in your pack. Get what I'm saying? So, all together, watch. Push up, opens up, pacow. There you go. There's your scissors. Let's take a look at these guys. You know, we have some stamping there. You can tell these things are sharp. Right? Spring loaded. So they're definitely spring. And then if you can see, I mean, there's hardly anything to the handle. So this thing, I can't tell you, this thing is super light. But look at this. I mean, you want a pair of scissors, you need to pack somewhere, you need to cut. Let's try it. All right, here we go. This is actually cardboard, so let's just see what it does. Oh, no problem. Okay. And just to give you an idea, here's my Steve Jet. Let's take a look at the blade sizes. All right, so you can obviously see this is almost like a regular pair of scissors. The length, right? Nowhere to put your hands, but you don't need them, right? You want to lock it in. Good to go. Sweet. All right, let's try, I don't know, some other cardboard. Oh yeah, I mean, come on. It's not even a challenge, right? You use them like you normally would if your fingers were in the loop and just let the spring go. So then you shut them. Dude, no pocket clip. But I'm telling you what, do you even need one? I mean, here's my first Knipex little pouch. Here's the Wura. I mean, it's actually even smaller. So look at, hey, you need a pair of scissors to throw in your pack? There you go. Made the Knipex pack a little different with some scissors, right? Push them out, bammo, you're ready to go. Trying to give you a little better overlook. Now, they are pretty light. These things were like $13 on Amazon. They're made by Sunstar, I believe, out of Japan. Now, they might go by this name also. But I'm telling you what, these things are sweet. Especially for you EDC dudes. You're looking for the small scissors you can take. I don't really know what else to tell you. Plus they're OTF out the front. Right? Ready? Boom. Here's an overlook. I mean, I should weigh these. I don't even know if these would even come out on a scale. They're so light. But you can tell, not only from the blade, wow, that is very sharp. It's just, even the construction, and these aren't going to be heavy duty, you know, like you're cutting, you know, wires and stuff like this guy. But if you need an EDC scissors, I'm telling you what, I don't know where you can go wrong with these guys. Right? Out the front. Be cool if it was automatic, right? But, you know, hey, I'll take these. These are sweet. So, you know, hey, want to let you know if you're looking for something this small, something that fits in your pack or just your pocket, the Sun Star, or go by this name, strictly Slarino. And to be honest with you, I can't even find a model number, but I will have the link in the description below if you're interested in buying. And it comes in different colors, but come on. This thing is sweet. It's the most unique scissors or almost tools that I've had recently in my hand. So I think this would favor you pretty well if you're interested. So look it up. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a good day.